How to add cash to Cash App with a credit card. Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a specific way to fund your Cash App account using a credit card. While it's not the most common method, it's good to know your options. In this video, we'll walk you through the process step by step, explain any associated fees, and give you some important things to keep in mind. Let's get started. Linking a credit card to Cash App. Before you can use a credit card to send money on Cash App, you'll need to link it to your account. Here's how. Open your Cash App and tap the profile icon, usually located in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Linked Banks. If you already have a debit card linked, you should see an option to link credit card. If you don't have a debit card linked, you might need to link that first. Tap Link Credit Card and enter your credit card information. This includes the card number, expiration date, CVV code, and billing address. Cash App supports most major credit card providers, like Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover. Once you've entered all the details, Cash App will verify your card. After successful verification, your credit card will be linked to your Cash App account. Using a credit card for transactions. It's important to understand that you don't directly add cash to your Cash App balance with a credit card. Instead, you use the credit card to send money to others. When you initiate a payment, you'll have the option to select your linked credit card as the funding source. Here's how it works. Tap the Pay button on the Cash App home screen. Enter the amount you want to send and the recipient's Cash App username, phone number, or email address. On the payment confirmation screen, you'll see the payment amount and the funding source. Tap the funding source. Select your linked credit card from the list of payment methods. Confirm the payment. Cash App will process the transaction, and the money will be sent to the recipient. The charge will appear on your credit card statement, just like any other purchase. Fees associated with credit card use. Here's a crucial point. Cash App charges a fee when you send money using a credit card. This fee is typically a percentage of the transaction amount. The standard fee is 3%. This means that if you send $100 using your credit card, Cash App will charge you an additional $3, and the total charge to your credit card will be $103. It's essential to factor in this fee when deciding how to fund your Cash App transactions. Using a linked bank account or debit card is usually the more cost-effective option, as these methods typically don't involve a fee for sending money. Troubleshooting. If you encounter problems linking your credit card, double-check that you've entered all the information correctly. Ensure that your card is not expired and that it has sufficient available credit. If your transaction is declined, contact your credit card issuer or Cash App support for assistance. If you see any unauthorized transactions, report them to Cash App and your credit card company immediately. And that concludes our guide on using credit cards with Cash App. While it's a convenient option in some situations, it's important to be aware of the associated fees and potential for cash advance charges. By understanding the process and following our tips, you can use this feature responsibly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Cash App tutorials. Thanks for watching.